Welcome back. We're still playing with item prices, but now we're going to talk about discounts. So in Business Central, we're going into prices and discounts instead of purchase prices. We're using purchase discounts. Now, Microsoft, in their wisdom, decided they're merging pricing and discounts into one price list, which actually is quite functional and makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to open up the price list by pressing on a code. We've added a fifth line. I deleted all the extra suggested lines just to clean this up from the previous tutorial. But now I've added the same vendor, so vendor 140. You can see here that we've got the same buy price of 500 and 500, and I've decided that when we've got 35 units, we get a 15% discount here. Okay. So it's quite logical and simple to play with. There's a lot of good features you've got here with the switches. You can make combinations to say inclusive or not inclusive. Let's now go have a look at what it looks like. So when I go to buy this item, so I'm going to go back. We're going to go purchase orders, new purchase order. Now the requirement is that the vendor is not blocked and that the item is not blocked. So I've gone and removed those blocks. We're here on the line, and if we scroll over a little bit, you'll see I've exposed some things being a line discount, okay, and a line discount amount. So I'm going to say 1, and it says it's $500, 500 plus GST. And remembering the price break was, if I go to 34, it shows we've got no price break here. On discounts, it's still the same price. Now I can go to 35. And the impact is 15% discount, and that's the discount overall, and it applies the discount now. So it's not doing a invoice header discount, it's doing a line level discount. There are two different types of discounts. You could technically still say, and I'm going to give them a $2,000 discount here on the header, which would apply an additional discount off the transaction. Okay, so pricing is an interesting beast, but it is getting better with Business Central and simplified using price lists. So going back into the item, going back into the purchase discounts, you can see here our price list. We can pull it up, it's active, and this is the status. And you could say, you could create like another scenario where if you bought 20, it could be cheaper without a discount, but now it's 500 plus. So this allows for however your vendor architects its price list, that we can get to a point where we can actually import this and make it easy on the business for working with prices. And as usual, you can open in Excel to download this easily. Bringing it back in at the moment is still an import using a config pack. Okay, but if you talk to your friendly right-sized developer, we'll put an import here as we've done with multiple clients. All right, so that is price list.